Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making your app deliver HTML that search engines can read. Choose a framework that does server-side rendering or static generation. Next, JS is a practical default. Once chosen, convert one critical route to SSR/SSG immediately and verify the HTML contains title, meta description, and canonical tags. You should also ensure server responses are 200 for content pages and not just client-side shells. This first step prevents content being invisible to crawlers and sets the foundation for all SEO gains. Once SSR/SSG serves HTML, make it meaningful. Render page-specific title, description, open graph, and schema. Org structured data on the server so crawlers see accurate metadata. Make a programmatic sitemap. XML and robots. TXT during build, and emit canonical tags to avoid duplicate content issues. Also, use selective pre-rendering or incremental static regeneration for expensive pages. While you optimize, lazy load images and non-essential bundles to cut TTFB and improve core web vitals. This helps both users and ranking signals. Deploy with confidence. Push your server-rendered build behind a CDN, configure caching and compression, and ensure correct content type headers. Then verify using Search Console and live URL inspection. Check mobile rendering and that schema is visible. Once done, monitor crawl and render logs and set up alerts for spikes in 4xx/5xx. If you see pages not indexed, recheck server HTML and canonical rules. A practical troubleshooting tip. If hydration breaks or content disappears, temporarily serve the server-rendered HTML without client-side takeover until you fix the JS error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.